how to turn off push notification on Jets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off push notification in your Jets app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Jets app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here, once you are in the settings section, here you can see the option labeled as push notification. So just tap on it, and now here inside the push notification, you'll see the account listed with a check over it. So here, to turn off the push notification on Jets, just uncheck that option, and that's it. Now you have successfully turned off push notification on Jets. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.